Hi guys, I just received my DJI Mini 4 Pro drone in the mail. Now, the one I ordered is the Fly More Combo. It comes in a few different flavors, and this one has a few things that the others don't, and the others have a few things that this one doesn't. So I thought I'd open it up, check it out, and show you exactly what's in it and find out myself. Now, one thing I want to point out is this comes in at 149 grams. It weighs less than 150 grams, which means that it doesn't have to be registered with the FAA. All right. Oh, look at that. It comes in a really nice DJI, official DJI case, which I was hoping that I'd be able to get so I can carry my drone around. This is good quality, nice and solid. Yeah, this will protect everything really nice. Now, this drone comes with an RC2, which some of the older versions don't, so you have to use your cell phone and put it on there so you can maneuver and see where the drone's going, and it's just more of a hassle. Whereas this RC2, the screen is built right into it, so it just makes it quick and easy to use when I need it. It's nice and solid. I like the size of the screen. It's going to make it easier for me to see, especially with my old eyes. All the buttons there on front. Got the fold out antennas, which are sturdy, so it feels solid. Don't have to worry about those puppies breaking. Buttons on top to control the drone. Buttons on the back. The RC2 supposedly has a 12-mile range on it too. Sweet looking. I like it. The little control sticks are right in back. And all I've got to do is screw it right onto the front where I need to. And I'm ready to rock and roll. Then after I'm done, I can put them on the back again. Another reason why I got the Fly More Combo is it comes with 3 batteries. There's a battery right inside the drone itself, and then it comes with 2 extra ones in a rechargeable little dealio. It's got a USB port on it. That's the part where you plug in right there to charge it, plug it into the wall, or a brick or something like that. And they easily come out. You just press the buttons on the side, and there you go. So yeah, I should be able to go a nice long time without worrying about running out of battery. And finally, the drone itself. A few of the things I'm looking forward to is it shoots in 4K 60 frames per second, so it's going to be nice and smooth. It has an active track 360, so you can actually track something as it moves. You can track your bicycle as you're riding along, and it'll follow. It's got omnidirectional obstacle sensing, so if it comes close to a tree or a branch or a pole or anything like that, you can make it either stop or go around it or all kinds of groovy stuff like that. It's got a guard on the front to keep that camera nice, keep the blades where they need to be when it's packed up. Okay, and let's take a look. All right, let me take a look at, okay, so this has my cables, it looks like. It has a bunch of stuff in here. So this little tool, I suppose, is for attaching blades if I need to change them out or something. Okay, so it comes with that. That's sweet. And then extra blades itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that what I'm counting? Oh, nice. Okay. So I'm good on blades. And then it's got a couple USB cables to attach up and charge it. Charge the RC2 and charge the drone itself. And then the instruction booklets. A little quick start guide. Oh yeah, this has all the information that I'm going to need in order to get this thing up and running. Very, very cool. So there you go, gang. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo. If you get this, this is what you can expect to be in it. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. All right, there you go. You guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye now.